Hello students and welcome. In this lecture we are going to install MariaDB on our CentOS 7 machine. So the first step is yum install MariaDB-server. Okay, on my machine it's already installed, but if it's not installed on your machine, then it'll go ahead and ask you if it's ready. It found the package, and if it's okay to install it, and you'll just press yes and it should install. So once it is installed, then we need to start it. Okay, and the way you start the daemon is systemctl start MariaDB. Okay, it is started. Now we're going to check the status. So systemctl status MariaDB, and as you can see, it is active and running. Now, just like any other service, we want to make sure that MariaDB starts at boot time. So we have to make sure that it is enabled. Systemctl enable MariaDB. Okay, and that creates a link that makes sure that it does start at boot time. So MariaDB includes a security script to change some of the less secure default options for things like remote root logins and sample users. So we're going to use a command to run the security script. Command is mysql_secure_installation. Want to set the current password? We'll enter yes. Change the root password. Yes, I want to change it. And then we'll accept all the security suggestions by pressing yes. Okay, everything is done. Finally, that we have secured the installation, we'll verify that it's working. So the way you test it is by typing mysql admin-u root-p version, and I'm going to provide it the password. And as you can see, this is providing us the server version and also the protocol version, the connection, unit socket, and all that. So this proves that our installation was successful.